Did you guys know that we have already found a reliable source of energy that would eliminate pollution and we wouldn't have to change the way that we live today? Now, for decades, scientists have been working long and hard hours to come up with the solution that will save our planet from a polluted future. And yet one has already been found. Now, this source of energy lies in the ground beneath our feet and it's called magnetic energy. Today I want to tell you guys about the many benefits that come from using magnetic energy and how it can help us to stop polluting this planet. Now, first, to stop polluting our planet, first we must realize how damaging and deforming pollution really is to our planet. Second, we must discover what the main causes are that produce the high volumes of pollution. And finally, we must think of a new and innovative way to solve this problem from the large-scale federal level all the way down to a personal level. Now, pollution is a very wide-scale problem that affects every aspect of the environment, including ourselves. And in an article in the Scientific American, it states that one of the top 10 worst pollution problems is one that lies in your very home, and it's called indoor air pollution. And on dosomething.org, it explains how indoor air is typically 2 to 5 times worse than the air outdoors. And approximately 2.4 million people die each year because of air pollution problems. And further studies suggest that out of those 2.4 million people, 500,000 people die because of diseases which are linked to breathing fine particle air pollution. Now, the effects of pollution on the environment can also have adverse or even fatal effects if left to accumulate. Now, acid rain, for example, is precipitation containing harmful amounts of nitric and sulfuric acids. These acids are released into the atmosphere whenever fossil fuels are burned. Now, acid rain damages trees and it makes soil and water unsuitable for fish and other wildlife. Pollution, therefore, is a very significant cause to many deaths worldwide, and it affects the environment, which can ultimately damage our planet. Pollution should not be undermined, and it needs to be addressed in a very serious manner. Many causes of air pollution are a result of industrial revolution and an overall unwillingness from society to make change towards a better environment. Now, air pollution comes from both natural and man-made sources. Man-made pollutants come from combustion, construction, mining, and agriculture. These are some of the most significant. One of the causes of the rising levels of pollutants in the air every year is something that we're all guilty of, and that's called motor vehicle emissions. Factories that also produce our everyday products are one of the #1 causes of polluted air. Now, a report by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change said that humans have been the primary cause of global warming since 1950. So as much as we would like to think that we're not the problem in fact lies within each and every one of us. Now, hurricanes are also often involved in water contamination from sewage and petrochemical spills from damaged boats or vehicles. Some severe weather can also cause oil rigs or refineries to become damaged and produce pollution. To help eliminate the causes of pollution, we must be open to changes in the way that we live and more effectively use green energy resources. Now, magnetic energy can be the solution to a majority, if not all, of our energy resources that we need to live the way we do today. Now, the federal government needs to realize the potential and reliability of this type of green energy and legislate mandatory use of this green energy that is readily available. The economy could also benefit from this new source of green energy because it has the potential to create thousands upon thousands of new jobs. And the federal government can help catalyze society into using this green energy. Now, the largest of all the changes start with us as individuals and our thoughts towards certain issues. Now, drastic measures don't have to be taken to make a big difference. If you buy a magnetic generator for your home, not only will the environment benefit from it, but so will you. The magnetic energy generator is unbelievably resistant, and it's going to work in pretty much all weathers. So you can go ahead and whenever you purchase one, you can create free energy for your own home with this generator, and it can save you a lot of money on electricity. And it's very low maintenance, and repairs are extremely cheap, and again, it's very environmentally friendly. So, magnetic energy has the potential to change the world and how we live by eliminating our dependency on fossil fuels. The many health and environmental problems today we face are a result of the pollution produced by cars and factories that use fossil fuels to produce energy. Steps need to be taken so that we can use this type of green energy and stop polluting our planet. We as individuals can take small steps into eliminating air pollution and bettering our environment. I would like to end this presentation by quoting Susan Rice, and she said, "If you want change, you have to make it. If you want progress, you have to drive it."